Once upon a time, in the world of makers, a new star was born. The H2D. Father Bambu and Mother Lab were so proud to present and promote their product to the world. Customers all over the globe placed their orders and waited for the shipments. Some of the glorious printers arrived faster and in good shape, other later or partially damaged. Some of them never arrived. But however, the valued customer had the chance to claim at the Bambu Lab Support Center. Opening a ticket. Let the games begin.
I have realized some issues, as the layers have not been printed solid anymore. So I decided to do a new calibration, which never can be wrong, to ensure a stable print quality. But the calibration process stopped, as the printer has realized a huge misalignment between the front Z-axis and the rear Z-axis. Clever software. During the calibration, the print head crashed the nozzle into the print bed. Nozzle and print bed damaged. I realized some stuttering of the rear Z-axis, moving up and down by the motor. After lowering the print bed, I pushed and pulled the print bed by hand at the rear part. Only guidance by the rail, but no more contact by the lead screw. Also, the calibration sensors are scratched. Bambu Lab requested pictures and videos into their ticket system. I opened the printed and did my best. Some screws were completely broken and need to be drilled out. There are no more gears at the lead screw nut, and even debris can be seen. As a customer of Bambu Lab and a user of their product, I was completely lost. They request me, a non-trained, experienced, and skilled hobby maker, to repair a highly engineered production machine, where a factory fault led to this damage after 5 months. Isn't it their task during warranty period to fix the issues of their products?
In the meantime, I have realized they do not have any repair service in Europe to cover warranty claims. They reject replacement of damaged products during warranty, even if they're obliged to by law, if they do not provide repair solution. I try to find an acceptable solution, as I would go for a special repair shop to get it fixed on my costs and risk. Therefore, they provide me a discount voucher on ordering a replacement, somehow pain sharing. But they celebrate to have the customer's money and the customer have the pain alone. It is now 6 weeks after I opened the ticket, and we are still turning circles. The root cause of the damage was clear, and they never rejected the warranty case at all. But they do not want to fulfill their warranty obligations according to European and German law. The time of patience and understanding is over. How many specialists they need to align internally with my complex problem? No more photos or videos. Come across pick up my machine. I paid it and fix your problem. Offering a free spool of filament is a joke. I have already invested 4 hours to dismount the printer and take pictures. No more effort from my side. Bambu Lab act now. You are breaking law by not fulfilling your obligations.
Thank you.